Hey, it's Benny Chavez. I just wanted to put the word out. I currently have 2 families that are each looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the city of Downey. So I wanted to put the message out via Facebook, via video, to see if you or somebody that you may know is thinking about possibly moving and selling their current 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the city of Downey. If you know somebody or you yourself are thinking about making a move, please give me a call at 562-896-7979. Send me a text to that number, or you can email me at benny@lahomeguy.com or private message me here through Facebook. Inventory is very low right now, and it's pretty difficult to find these clients, these specific homes. So if you have thought about possibly selling your current 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Downey, or know somebody that's thinking of selling their current 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Downey, please get in touch, get a hold of me. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, last but not least, both of these families are already pre-approved and qualified and have 20% down to put on these homes, and they are qualified up to $600,000. So please, if you've thought about it or you know somebody, give me a call, reach out to me. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for all your help.